You're welcome to yet another edition of Mr. Lau's online classes. Today we'll be having a topic that's quite different from what we've been doing. It has to do with consonant contrast. Consonant contrast has to do with contrasting consonants to know the difference in pronunciations, meaning comparing consonants with other consonants to see how they are being pronounced differently in the usage of words. So right here we're contrasting three different sounds, and that's the first one here, then the second, and there's a third. So these words are the words we use to contrast them. So the first we have is a letter T sound, and the sound is ts. Say it again, ts. Basically we have 24 consonants sounds. And there's 24 consonant sounds. We have the voiceless and some are voiced. Now this is an example of a voiced consonant, sorry, a voiceless consonant. And the sound is t, like the letter T sound, t. And this is also a consonant sound. It is referred to as a dental sound. And the sound is th. Now for you to give the sound, you need to place your teeth, your tongue close to your upper teeth. Now you allow air to pass through the space you have there. So we give it together. Go again. Now this is a voiced consonant, and it's quite different from these and these. These are voiceless consonants. That's why when you produce the sound, you notice that you're not feeling vibration here. There's no vibration. There is no vibration. That gives you a voiceless consonant. On the other hand, you have the. Now, it is the same way you place your tongue close to your upper teeth when giving this sound. That's the same way you do this. But the difference is that this, you feel the same here. So you have the, and this you have. Now, we'll get to pronounce the words and see how they are being used. Now, this is the AT, bat, at the end of it. So we'll focus more on the ending consonants in some cases, and we'll focus more on those consonant sounds in these words. Now, if I'm to transcribe this by AT, you notice that it has the sound at the end of it. Now, this is quite different. We have TH going with the spell letters for it. Now you have the sound is quite different from this. So this is the end of the sound we have here. This is t, and that's a th. So right here we pronounce the word bath, bath, bath. Why this is quite different? I'll just transcribe it here because we don't have a space for it. So that's pronounced bathe, bathe. So bath and bathe, they are not the same. So when you say you want to take a bath, you're having a complete wash of your body. But when you say you want to have your bathe or you want to bathe, could be you just having an incomplete wash of your body, like washing some part of your body, or maybe using a swimming pool. That could mean you're taking a bath or you're bathing, and that's quite different from bath or when you say you're bathing. Now this is also BET, bet, and this breath, breath, and this breathe, breathe, breathe. Now we have the next one, tight, teeth, tithe. Now you take a look at this. This is tight, and it's having a sound t at the end of it. Why this is quite different? This is tithe, and it's having the sound at the end of it. So you mean to say tithe and not tight. Now this is right, this is wreath, and this is wreath. This is mat, mouth, mouth. So when we take it all over again, you notice that the sounds are pronounced differently. So this is the, bat, bath, bathe, bet, breath, breathe, tight, teeth, tithe, right, wreath, wreath. This is right, wreath, wreath, mat, mouth, mouth. I hope you do understand this because it's not really easy, but if you you try to learn, you try to use more of your dictionaries, you try to listen to more recordings, you got to see that these sounds are not actually used the same way. They're very different. So I advise you do more, you learn more, try to practice more. With that, you can get used to the pronunciations in English language. It's really nice to have you on this class today. I hope to teach you more on other topics another time. Thank you. Bye-bye.